In this video, I'm going to show you two simple tricks that fix two super annoying knife problems in the kitchen. For the first one, we've all been there. You're trying to get through dinner prep, but your knife is working against you. Every time you slice something, it just sticks to the blade. You lift the knife, and the food comes right up with it. It's annoying, it slows you down, and honestly, it can get a little sketchy when your fingers are that close to the edge. Here's why it happens. When you cut juicy veggies, they sort of suction themselves to the blade. But the fix is ridiculously simple. All you need is a toothpick and a tiny piece of tape. Just place the toothpick along the side of the blade, about half an inch above the cutting edge, and tape it in place so it doesn't move. That's it. Now watch what happens when we slice that same cucumber. The pieces just fall right off. No sticking, no dragging, no fighting with your knife. This works great for cucumbers, potatoes, zucchini, basically any juicy veggie. It seriously cuts your prep time in half. Now for the second trick. If your knife is crushing food instead of slicing it, don't run out and buy a new set just yet. You can fix this in about a minute using something you already have, a regular coffee mug and a little salt. Flip the mug upside down. That rough ring on the bottom? That's your sharpening surface. Sprinkle a tiny pinch of salt on it to add some grip and help the blade stay in place. Hold your knife at a slight angle, about the width of your pinky off the surface, and slowly drag it across. Nice and steady. Do about 10 passes on each side. No need to rush, just keep it smooth and consistent. And just like that, your knife goes from squishing to slicing in under 60 seconds. Now, quick bonus tip. If your cutting board slides around, that's just asking for trouble. Grab one paper towel, get it slightly damp, and place it under the board. It locks it in place instantly, so nothing moves while you're cutting. If this saved you some frustration, hit that save button so you can find it later. And let me know in the comments which one of these kitchen tricks are you trying first.